failed your forklift test? Don't worry, it happens more often than you think. And the good news is, yes, you can retake it. Whether it's the written test, the practical test, or both, most training schools will give you another shot. Just keep in mind, they might charge a small fee. That's to cover their time, materials, and admin work. So, how long should you wait before retaking it? The best advice, don't wait too long. Take it as soon as possible while everything is still fresh in your mind. Focus on the areas where you struggled. Retake rules aren't the same everywhere. Now, here's the thing. Different training schools have different rules. Some let you retake the test almost immediately. Others might ask you to wait a few days, or even a few weeks. And some may require you to take extra training before you try again. Why you might need to wait before retaking the test? Well, it's to give you time to review what went wrong and improve. The more prepared you are, the better your chances of passing. Common reasons people fail include not studying enough, getting nervous and rushing, skipping safety procedures, or making mistakes in forklift control and load handling. One of the smartest things you can do, ask for feedback. Find out if your struggle was with theory, practical skills, or both. That way, you'll know exactly where to focus, how many retakes are allowed. And here's a little relief: OSHA doesn't limit how many times you can retake the test. As long as you meet your training provider's requirements, you can keep trying until you pass. Look, failing once doesn't mean you're not cut out for this. It just means you've got a few things to polish up, practice, study the tricky parts, and walk into that retake like you own it. And hey, if you want more tips, tricks, and guides like this, browse more topics in our videos. You'll be ready for anything the forklift test throws at you.